Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest reviews and deals. Today, I'm super excited to talk to you about an amazing product that has truly changed the way I travel in my car. Introducing the Baseus car neck pillow cushion. This incredible car accessory is designed to provide ultimate support and comfort for your neck and head while driving or as a passenger. Made with high-quality memory foam, this neck pillow cushion is not only comfortable but also durable and long-lasting. It molds to the shape of your neck and head, providing the perfect amount of support to prevent any discomfort or strain during long drives. Plus, it's also great for providing lumbar support, making it a must-have for anyone who struggles with back pain. The unique design of this pillow cushion makes it a stylish addition to any car interior, and it's available in a range of colors to suit your personal taste. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, this cushion will make your car journeys infinitely more enjoyable. But wait, there's more. This Baseus car neck pillow cushion is also incredibly easy to install and is fully adjustable to fit any car seat. It's the perfect accessory for anyone who prioritizes comfort and safety while driving. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your driving experience with the Baseus car neck pillow cushion. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this game-changing product today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy driving!